Imagine a single American fighter jet commanding an army of 1,000 drones. Not 10, not 100, 1,000. Now imagine that jet is the F-47, a machine designed not just to fight, but to orchestrate an entire air war by itself. For decades, air superiority meant having the fastest pilot and the best aircraft. But the Pentagon's next revolution is terrifyingly different. One pilot, one fighter, 1,000 autonomous wingmen. If this vision becomes reality, America won't simply dominate the skies. It could make every rival air force on Earth obsolete overnight. And the most shocking part? Much of the technology already exists.
For nearly a century, air combat has followed the same basic rule. More pilots, more aircraft, more firepower. In World War II, nations built thousands of fighters. In the Cold War, they built better fighters. Today, they build stealth fighters. But the F-47 may change the rule entirely. Instead of being one aircraft among many, it could become a flying command center that directs swarms of intelligent drones across hundreds of miles. Think of it less like a fighter jet and more like a battlefield operating system in the sky. And that changes everything.
If this video changed the way you think about air warfare, hit subscribe right now. Because the next battle for global dominance may already be happening in secret, and we'll be here to reveal it. Comment below. Would you trust a single F-47 to command 1,000 autonomous drones in combat? The future of air power may depend on your answer.